Good morning, students. This is Sunil Arya. Yesterday, I have explained half chapter of chapter 9. The chapter was Rats on a Train. And I explained what did the boys do with the belongings who carried the elder man. What they did with the belongings which he carried when he went for the washroom. And when he came back to the coach, he saw their belongings are here and there. And the boys said to him, there are rats on a train, and they did all things. And the elderman said, it doesn't matter. Had I known that there would be rats on train, I would have got a large stock of food. It doesn't matter now. The elderman said, if he would know there is rats on a train, he bring a lot of stock of the food for the rats. But it doesn't matter because now at Bardhaman there will be an hour's halt and we have to change our train. And Bhikkhun said to the elder man, we should change this coach because there are rats. Elder, yes, we need to change trains. I'll look for a seat in a separate coach. I won't trouble you boys anymore. And the elderman said to the Bhikkhun, I will not trouble you anymore because I think you are troubling because of me. No, you must come along with us. We will guard your bundles and pots. Then boys said together, no, you can sit here. We will guard your bundle and pots and your belongings. Bhikkhun, we will ensure that the rats don't take away the food that is left. And the Bhikkhun said, the rats don't take away the food which is left to you. The boys and the elderly man get off the train. And in the next scene, the boys and the elderly man are seated in a coach. A vendor goes past the window. The man buys a children's packet of sweets. The boys take the packet, delighted, and man's generosity. Boys, this is fun. And next stoppage, the elder man buys some chocolate for the student, and he gave all the student chocolates, and they had fun. A mango seller come to the window. The man buys mango for the boys and handle over the packet to them. A mango seller come to the window. The elder man took and bought some mangoes for the children, for the boys, and hand over them the packet to them and said, you can have it. Elderly man, the rats won't go hungry. After hand over the mangoes, the elder man said to the boys, the rats won't be hungry. The boys laughed because they understood. Because looking curiosity at the elder man, tell us where are we going? Bhikkhun asked to the elder man, where are you going? Elderly, I am a teacher, I am looking for a job. Elder man said that I am a teacher and I am looking for a job. Third boy, what subject do you teach? Third boy asked to the elder man, which subject do you teach? And the elder man said, I am a Sanskrit teacher and I can teach Sanskrit. The boys clapped their hands excitedly. Fourth boy, then you must come with us our school, we need a Sanskrit teacher. The fourth boy said, then you come must with us, we need a Sanskrit teacher. Bhikkhun, we will not let you let Kalo Kumaro Takalanka teach us. Elderman, but your headmaster may not wish to give you this job. The elderman said to the boys, but your headmaster will not give me this job. Boys together, he better give you this job. or else we all leave the school. And the boy said, he must give you this job, otherwise we all will leave the school. Alderman, if you insist, I will come along with you. Look, we have reached. The alderman said, if you all are insisting me to come with you, then I will come. And look, we have reached the destination. Bhikkhu, looking out for the window, why had the secretary of the school committee come to this platform? The Bhikkhu, looking for the secretary of the school committee who took them. One boy, he is probably come to receive us. One boy said, I think he is come to receive us. The children and the elderly man stand up to get off train. The boys get off the train after elderly man has descended. The letter is received by a respectful man, the secretary. Secretary, welcome sir. Welcome master Talalankar. I welcome you to our school. And after reach the destination, when the boys get off the train and they are looking for the secretary of the school, and the secretary of the school came and he welcomed that elder man because he was the Sanskrit teacher of that school and his name was Talalankar. The boys all were very disguised and the secretary went to touch the elderly man's feet. The boys looked at the new teacher in utter amazement. The elderly man smiled at them and patted the secretary on his shoulder. And boys were very amazed. The boys were very amazed because he was the same teacher who come to teach them. And they were very ashamed on their behavior. This is the chapter 9 and its author is Rabindranath Tagore. And I hope you all will understand this chapter. If you have any question, any doubt, you can call me. And you all have to choose the correct answer and try to get the answer of exercise 3. Thank you.